our Julie. And we're gonna go with
Julie plays the first set. We are now at 1-0 in favor of Julie. Dito naman sa camera dyan.
Ready for the next battle.
Yes!
Julie is in his focus mode. Oh, this is...
Change map. Ay, okay. The map has changed. Okay.
Oh, here we go again with the intro.
Ito na. Canon match up.
Fight.
Starts with the low.
Watch the focus in the first attack.
Now here we go with the classic water pressure. Unfortunately dropped the high damage combo there.
Oh, forward.
We're seeing a lot of drop combos from Montenegro, but looks like this one will end it, but unfortunately it doesn't hit the last one. Now we have a fighting chance for Julie, but gets reached by the heat snatcher. A nice job from him. Unfortunately it gets wild handing too. We're gonna reach all the way to the wall here. Back to 1-0. A sweep, of course, the classic. Nice combo conversion from Julie. Julie needs one more hit. Nice block from Wansu. Will want to continue this pressure, but unfortunately Julie takes it back. We are 1-1 in this set. Nice down two from Julie. Discord and Invel Station 2. Oh, gets launched by the board 4-4. Up 3-3. Julie needs one more hit, and there we go, round set. Julie needs one more win to win the entire game. What will want to do about the situation? Oh, gets blocked, but unfortunately does not launch the health switch there. That is minus 20 and just launch punishable. Oh, he tries to parry but gets cancelled instead, but unfortunately drops the combo, and once he gets the one more hit, securing the round, giving one more hope for Wansu. What will Julie do to respond to this? Whips the power crush and gets launched. And here we go to the wall already. Blocked, but unfortunately that's not optimal launch. Looks like Wansu on the winning pressure, but unfortunately Julie takes it back. Now we are back at the neutral. Julie needs one more mix here. What will Julie do? That's the round. Now we are at a tie 1-1.